For centuries, mathematics was a human endeavor built on chalkboards and paper. It allowed for intuition and leaps of thought. Computers, however, operate on strict syntax, and machines demand absolute precision. Historically, a mathematical proof was a social document. A mathematician wrote to convince their peers, frequently leaving out obvious steps, trusting the reader to bridge the small gaps in logic with their own expertise. But modern proofs have grown massive. They span hundreds of pages, densely packed with highly specialized, interconnected concepts. The peer review process grinds to a halt as exhausted referees try to follow sprawling, deeply complex arguments. Trusting human reviewers to reliably catch every subtle error in a 500-page manuscript has become a bottleneck. Mathematics has scaled past the limits of human working memory. The solution is Lean, a formal proof assistant requiring mathematicians to translate natural language into explicit computer code. The compiler accepts zero ambiguity. Every logical step must connect to foundational axioms. If there is a single microscopic gap, it rejects the entire proof. A mathematical truth in this system relies on zero human intuition. It becomes an executable, mechanically verified fact. These verified Lean proofs are deposited into Mathlib, an open-source, continuously expanding digital library. Because the code is perfectly verified, new theorems can stack directly on top of older ones. Mathematicians can import established rules without rechecking the underlying logic, building a secure, highly reusable infrastructure. Yet a compiler is entirely reactive. It verifies the code given to it, but it cannot guess the next logical step in an undiscovered proof. It lacks creative intuition. Mathlib provides an infallible logic framework, but pushing the boundary of mathematical discovery requires a separate engine to generate new ideas. Large language models possess that vast generative capacity. They can connect disparate concepts and propose novel solutions, but they also hallucinate, routinely producing plausible but entirely incorrect logic. This diagram maps the AlphaProof nexus architecture. It pairs an LLM creative prover subagent directly with the Lean compiler. The language model rapidly generates millions of potential proof steps, searching for a path, while Lean instantaneously discards any hallucinated logic. In 2024, researchers used the International Mathematical Olympiad as a stress test for this hybrid system. The competition features 6 highly complex reasoning problems designed for elite high school mathematicians. After the questions were translated into formal statements, AlphaProof solved 4 of the 6 problems. It achieved the point equivalent of a silver medal against top human competitors. An artificial intelligence executed genuine mathematical reasoning without human intervention, enabled by a compiler that physically prevents it from making a false claim. Solving competition problems is impressive, but the system is now targeting open research. It is evaluating unsolved problems posed by the legendary mathematician Paul Erdős. This grid of graphs details the solve rates and computational costs of a DeepMind agent attacking those questions. Out of 353 attempted formal statements, the system autonomously resolved 9 open problems, including 2 that had remained unsolved for 56 years. Human mathematicians remain strictly necessary. They select the target problems, translate informal concepts into formal Lean code, and debug subtle errors in how the questions are initially framed. Pushing the mathematical frontier relies entirely on a tight, iterative loop between human direction and machine execution. The ambition now scales to the highest tier of mathematics through efforts like the Gauss project. Researchers are working to formalize Marina Vyazovska's proof regarding sphere packing in 8 dimensions, an achievement that won her the Fields Medal. They are translating peak human logic into a machine-checkable blueprint. Mathematics is not losing its human element. Instead, it is acquiring an infallible, permanent memory. Artificial intelligence operates as a tireless scout. It explores the dark forests of logic, finds viable paths, and brings its discoveries back to a universal, perfectly verified repository. For centuries, a proof was a rhetorical document written to convince human peers. Today, mathematical truth must pass through a machine that cannot be persuaded at all.